Are you a gamer or do you want to be one? If that's the case, then you've come to the right place. This video will provide you with some tips and tricks on what you need to have as a gamer in 2022 that you should have from Amazon. I hope this video helps you find some of the best accessories for gaming desk setups, whether you're looking for some budget accessories or some not so budget ones. Let's get started, shall we? Number 1. Gaming Mousepad. Featuring a water-resistant and washable surface, this mousepad is designed to prevent liquid from soaking up on its surface when it splashes. The washable design allows you to wash the mousepad with water to keep it clean. It is amazing how Tonals pays attention to every single detail for the best gaming mousepad. If you're not satisfied, they can provide you with a new mousepad or a full refund. Using this mousepad will make it easy to control your mouse precisely and smoothly. When you touch and move your mouse for long periods of time, your skin will feel uncomfortable. You can use this mousepad to keep your desk neat and tidy with your mouse, gaming keyboard, and other desk items. At number 2. Bonki M900. It is a plug-and-play product that doesn't require complex settings or software installations. You just need to connect your Mac or Windows computer and start your first podcast. You can easily adjust every angle and height to match your working position, and it will stay extremely stable so you don't have to worry about shaking microphones anymore. You'll hear your voice as actual and clear as it is with a professional sound chipset inside. With this microphone, you can adjust the volume and echo effect directly on the microphone to get the most accurate sound. It has removed most unnecessary noise and returned the most authentic sound possible. Getting a better voice doesn't require professional software, just turning knobs. Amazing, right? Number 3. Would you like one more screen to share displays but hate to carry the weight? You will love this. Lipo Portable Monitor. If you need a portable monitor with a weight of 1.7 pounds and 0.3 inch thickness, Lipo will satisfy your needs. This feature will save you from clicking from one page to another and boost your efficiency without adding more weight to your luggage. Additionally, if you're looking for a portable computer monitor that can use to refresh your in-game experience while you're binging on games, these portable computer monitors will serve you well. To meet your needs according to the situation, Lipo portable displays offer 3 extended modes: second screen mode, extended mode, and duplicate mode. When you need more workspace, you can simply switch to appropriate expansion mode on either a laptop or phone. With the flexible display, you can enjoy convenience and satisfaction. Number 4. Mobile Game Controller Joystick. Mobile games are once again brought to life with the help of this Yao Mobile Joystick, which features a 12-bit ADC module. Offers the player a sense of exercise and fluid control over the in-game character. With a textured joystick, complex moves can be achieved easily. You can carry it in your pocket because it is compact and lightweight. If you can experience the best gaming experience, it is strongly recommended that you remove your phone case before connecting the joystick. There's a USB-C charging port on the joystick and you won't have to worry about low battery during ganking anymore. The charging cable will allow you to play the game for a long time, so it's perfect for gamers with on-screen joystick controls like Wild Rift, Genshin Impact, COD Mobile, Mobile Legends, Arena of Valor, FIFA, and NBA 2K. Number 5. Is there anything better than a good chair for a gamer? We have here HomeFun Chair. A luxurious chair that provides all-day comfort with adjustable heights from 16 inch to 20 inch. It can be adjusted between 90 degrees to 135 degrees and boasts lumbar support, padded headrest, and comfortable backrest. It is designed for people of all types and can be used for a variety of activities such as gaming, working, and relaxing. Material used for this cushion is high density, making it both comfortable and more durable. With a weight capacity of 400 pounds, you will have a better experience with the mesh chair because it has a strengthened frame structure, sturdier materials, and thicker cushions. Number 6. Soundbar. With a Dolby Digital decoding, there's a fantastic cinematic surround sound experience, and a dedicated wired subwoofer offers deep and powerful bass performance. It offers superior sound quality when compared to most standalone soundbars sold at cut-price prices. A specially tuned dialogue mode enhances speech understanding and enables speech to be crystal clear. Setup is quick and easy. You can choose HDMI ARC, optical, AUX, or Bluetooth 5.0 connections. This compact and stylish soundbar blends easily into any living space with its overall dimensions of 29 inches width, 2.4 inches height, and 2.8 inches dimension. Here's the final item to consider. Number 7. Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This 68-key mechanical keyboard has a cute small size, separate arrow keys, and all your F keys so you can use it for gaming or working. Characterized for its linear, smoother, and subtle key sound, it has no paragraph sense, minimal resistance, and fast action with no tactile bump feeling, making tapping easier. Also, I like that it has a detachable Type-C wired connection that I can use with this product. What about it are you most fond of? Let us know your thoughts down below in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and if you enjoyed it, make sure to share it with your gamer friends and subscribe if you'd like to be notified of our new videos. Bye!